easy for you.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and sorry I didn't get a video posted last week. I've just been really busy. The kids were out for fall break and trying to get everything together to do my daughter's room. I need to get in there and get it cleaned, but also we got bunk beds because one of her friends had moved in with us. So we were going to take down her full-size bed and do bunk beds. But trying to find a twin mattress for them because the girls haven't decided if they want a memory foam mattress or like just a regular mattress. So when they decide, we'll go get mattresses. But also I trying to get everything to do their room, so that has just been a process. But I'm just getting this living room tackled. The house was smelling like the dogs pretty bad, so this rug really needed to be shampooed. So I'm going to get that done and spraying the couch with my linen spray that I make. And I need to order more fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. I ran out of Goddess, which is one of my favorite scents from them. So I need to order some more of that because I am running out of my linen spray.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that?
And I have been trying to break Valkyrie from chasing the vacuum. She's just got this obsession with it. So I keep snapping my fingers at her to get her attention off of it and like telling her to leave it. So it has been a working progress, but I am finally getting there. So now I am just getting this rug shampooed. It was so dirty and it smelled so bad. It just smelled like the dogs. So I'm just going to give it a good deep cleaning and I will show you the water afterwards. It's pretty gross. I am going slow. It just seems like I'm going fast because I have sped this part up, but I am going slow.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
That was my son that just came through the door. They grow up so fast. He's a senior in high school and he goes to work early in the mornings and works until like 9:30. Then he comes home and changes and gets ready for school. And then he goes to school. And then when he only goes to school for like 3 hours a day. And then after he gets out, he comes home, he changes, and he goes right back to work. And when he don't have school, he's at work, and he works like 9 hours a day, 6 days a week. They're closed on Sundays, so that is when he is off. I just can't believe how fast they grow up. It feels like it was yesterday I had him, and now he just turned 19. He got held back a year. So, but yeah, he graduates this year and I can't believe it. He's just all grown up. And we had asked him if he had planned on going to college when he graduated high school and what his plans were for his future. And he don't plan on going to college. He plans on following his father's footsteps. And, well, sorta, kinda. He don't want to join the military. My husband, when me and him first got married, he was in the Army. And then we moved from Georgia to Killeen, which is right there at Fort Hood. My husband's parents, well, his mom and stepdad lived in Killeen, Texas. So we moved out there. And then when my husband got out of the Army, he got a job in the oil field. My father-in-law helped him get the job. Because when my father-in-law got out of the Army, he went into the oil field as well. So, but my son plans on getting a job in the oil field. It can be very good. It is always up and down. Right now, it is down. They have cut in hours, but that's just something my son plans on doing, is going into the oil field like his dad, which is a good lifestyle. We have gotten to travel with it. So once he got a job in the oil field, we transferred to San Antonio, and we lived out there for a few years. And then we went to Dallas, Texas, and we were there for a while. And then our last stop was here in Louisiana. And we have actually been here, oh my gosh, 9 years, 8 years. About 8 years, almost 9. So this has literally been our last stop, and we have been here the longest. To the point where we were finally able to where we can finally buy a house. And we bought a house out in the country, and I absolutely love it out here. But I'm just trying to get all this over here cleaned up, because things just keep getting put into this corner. And it has just been a catch-all. So I wanted to get it cleaned up, vacuumed, and everything. And that tote, we're going out to the deer lease over the weekend. Well, I am doing my voiceover, finishing this up on Friday. So we are going to the deer lease over the weekend, because I need to get the camper cleaned and get a bunch of other stuff out there. I still got to take our mattress. I was getting a new mattress to take out there because the one we had last year was just so uncomfortable. My back just killed me, and I could barely make it the weekend out there. But so we got to take a new mattress out, and I just got done washing like all of our sheets and blankets and getting everything ready, because opening season for Rifle is next weekend. So I can't wait. I'm just excited. But that's just a tote that I have got to take out there to our camper. But here in a minute, I'm going to show you guys like all the cute little baby stuff I got for my sister. And everything in the pack and play that I found is all that I found at yard sale last weekend. And it's not all brand new. I did buy her a bunch of brand new clothes that are in my room. But she wasn't real big on like all brand new clothes, because they outgrow them so fast. So, and plus like me and my sister are like super thrifty and everything. But here in a second, I'm going to show you guys all of that, and working on turning this space into a little home workout area.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain
Okay, so there was a 50-mile yard sale over last weekend that we went to, and I found this pack and play. I only paid $15 for it. So this is for like diapers, wipes, stuff like that. It has a little mobile on it, and this is the little crib set I found. Really cute. And there's like some sheets in there, a bunch of really cute baby clothes, and then this little dog. And then I found this for and a couple of cute little books One's a potty training book. It was brand new. I got some bottles, but I am going to replace the nipples on these. I want to fill this up with diapers, wipes, diaper rash cream, Tylenol, like ibuprofen, Orajel, stuff like that and then I also have got a bunch of other clothes in my room that I bought, and everything. This is, you know, you put on the floor for some tummy time. This was super cute too. And the playpen actually plays music. I got to get batteries for it. It comes with a little remote control, and all these animals are super cute. They were still in their plastic. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend and a wonderful Tuesday. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.